Hello, in this video I want to help you create internal links in Keynote for the Mac. And I'll use a real example. This will just take a little bit more than a minute. For this example, I will use this element right here. I can turn any text or any element into a button, but I will choose this box. I'm going to hit Command K. My first name is Ken, if that helps you remember, or the last syllable of the word link is K. So the last sound is K. So hopefully that reminds you that Command K is a keyboard shortcut, or you can come up here to do Insert and find the link. So from here, I'm hitting Command K, and this time I want to choose Slide. So I'll choose Slide, and I want it to go to slide number 23. So I'll simply move here, and I believe I can also type slide 23, which I can. So I can hit enter, or I can X out of here, click out of there, and then now I can click this blue button and it should take me to slide 23, which it did. So again, the steps are, let's do it one more time. If I wanted to choose this text, I could hit Command K, and I could go to slide, and I could type in or choose the slide that I want to use. I hope this helps. Please let me know if I can help you more.